Oh my God, guys, as we're riding through, Rebecca says it's got doorbells.
Look at that, guys. Doorbell.
Scared. It didn't do nothing.
It didn't do anything.
It didn't do nothing.
Let me push this on.
Oh my God.
Look, I pushed the doorbell, guys.
Didn't do nothing.
Didn't do nothing.
So we spotted these with doorbells. Actually, Rebecca spotted them. She's like, it's got doorbells. So we decided to stop and try to push the doorbells. Here's some more doorbells. Yeah, these are the Orthodox. Nothing. That's what those crosses are. And I guess these lights.
I've seen these before, and I didn't know what they were for.
That's amazing there. That's big. Wow. So we had to stop and hit the doorbells, guys. I wonder what was there. Probably one of them things like that was at that guy, the painter guy's grave.
Oh yeah.
But they don't have nothing else with it. I might need some more bug spray. Look, these were real flowers and they threw them in the garbage. Those little yellow ones are cute. I guess they're dead though. This place is, I mean, you can actually call this one gigantic. It's gigantic. Does everybody have real flowers or do they have fake flowers?
It looks like some.
Oh, some of them are fake. Okay. I was going to say, maybe you're only allowed to have real flowers. That would be crazy.
Coral, well, it has a policy enforcement thing for
Oh.
flowers and stuff and arrangements. So they
Wow.
on certain things, I guess. That one, I think, just recently passed away, maybe.
Which one? Way over there?
The one with all those
Yeah.
things in there.
Uh-huh. They sure did. Wow. There's somebody over there at that chapel closing the doors.
They probably.
Yeah, I see him over there. Can you guys see him way over there? There's a man over there shutting the doors. I don't know if I'm filming it.
I guess they don't keep that open.
No, they must not. It got blurry. I zoomed in too far. My camera's looking for a face. That's crazy. It's pretty cool though, guys. Pretty cool. You want to ride towards the back some more?
Yep.
All right. Hello everyone, Marie here from Marie's Life Vlogs. I'm here with Rebecca's Rome, and we are at some beautiful mausoleums here. You see it behind us? We're going to take you guys up there. There's about maybe 3, 4, 5 of them in this cemetery. We're going to take you to all of them. So, let's go. Okay, guys. So, Rebecca is going to go check out the mausoleum over there. That way we're not having the same exact videos. And we are going to walk up here to the crooker. It's a crooker. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is like a mansion outside of a mansion. You know, like if you're alive and you live in a mansion, this is after death in a mansion. Okay, so I don't know what you can see. They're in the walls. I can't even see writing on that. It's hard to see. Let's see what you guys can see in there. What is that? Oh, that's me. Holy crap. Look at the stained glass back there, guys. It's beautiful. Alright, let's take you guys out. I thought I heard something. That's probably my echo. It sounded like somebody talking, and I'm sure it was just my echo. Maybe because I was so close to the door. But this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. And then look at the pond out back. Or the lake, or whatever it is. Oh, oh, it's a bunny rabbit. You see it, guys? Bunny rabbit. I thought it was a squirrel at first. Look, it's a bunny. Aww. Look at this. It looks like it lights up. I see purple. So when it's dark, this lights up. It's really pretty. There's a big mausoleum over there, which the doors are already locked. Oh, and you can't see the stained glass too well from the outside. This is beautiful. And I'm sure there's alligators in here. It's pretty crazy. So we're going to walk you guys around this cemetery. Next time I come in the daytime, I will take you guys in that mausoleum. Look at this. Charles and Mary. Look, there's doorbells. What the fuck was that? What was that? Oh my God. What was that? Did you guys hear that? There's nobody buried on this side. That one didn't make nothing. There's nobody buried on this side. It didn't do it that time. I know I heard it. I know I heard it. That was crazy. Oh my God. Holy macaroni. I know I heard something. I can't wait to watch that back. Oh, look at this. That is really beautiful. Oh, you can see the lights purple now. Alright, so let's go up this way. Rebecca took you guys up to that one, so be sure to check out Rebecca's video. That one's beautiful too. Probably lived in mansions, and now they died and they're in mansions. I would love to be in something like that. It's Curlew Hills Garden of Meditation. Oh boy. Go up in here and meditate. Wow. Look at this cemetery, guys. It's really, really pretty. Let's see what's up in here. I've seen a few of those mausoleums, those big mausoleums, or single family big mausoleums. Look at that place up there. Oh, wow. Look at this grass, how high this grass is. You see how high it is on the sidewalk? That's some thick, thick grass. What is that? Maybe it's a plane. Sounded like something was coming closer to me. There's like a outdoor mausoleum up there. There's one down there, one over here. There's a real small one over here. And this one here is big. It's really big. Look at the beautiful flowers. I don't know where that other building was. We've seen it. I don't know where it was. Oh, I bet you it was on the other side of this. I don't want to go too far and leave Rebecca. I know it's daylight, but I still don't want to leave her too far. So let's walk up in here and walk this. Let's check out the waterfall. Wow. This is pretty. It's really pretty. Oh, they got a chlorinator, so there's chlorine in there. Let's go down this way and find Rebecca. What the heck? Keep feeling like somebody's behind me and there's daylight and nobody's behind me. I thought I could fit through here, but now... Oh, God! Alright, there's nobody behind me. What the hell? I hear a noise over here. Oh, it's this thing. Oh, this probably goes to the water fountains. I don't know how I'm gonna get through here. I came the wrong way. Oh, there's Rebecca. Looks like she's doing spirit box. Let's go find her. I swear I keep feeling like somebody's behind me. Dang it. I keep feeling like somebody's following me. Scared the shit out of me. And there was nothing there. Oh, bugs are on me. Alright, here's that other mausoleum right there. Let's walk over to it real quick. Oh, there's two of them. Oh my God. That was weird, feeling like somebody was right behind me. But there ain't nobody here. I think most of the cars left. I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna do you guys a 30-minute challenge. I don't know if I don't know what section I want to do it. The one mausoleum down there is locked up. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Karen Ann. Look at that. These are beautiful. They all got doorbells. They all got doorbells. This one's got doorbells too. Let's see if they do anything. Oh God! Oh! What the fuck? Is that thing loose? I think something's loose up under there. Oh my God. It didn't do it that time. I thought something was loose. Holy shit. Oh, they were married on my mama's birthday. Oh my God. And now it doesn't make the noise now. And they're both deceased. So, I thought the thing was loose. But it's not loose. Holy shit balls. Oh my God. They got doorbells too. Now, he's not dead. I hope there ain't no bugs in here. There's a lizard. Look at him. He's doing push-ups. Oh, God. Oh, I'm not touching them. There's too much stuff around them. Oh, family strength, honor. Michael. Wow. Here's some doorbells. There's nothing around them. Oh, my God. They all got doorbells. I don't know about that one. Okay. Nothing. That was scary. Here's some doorbells. Neither one of them is deceased. Nothing. Nothing. So I think two of them that I've touched has made noise. Here comes Rebecca. Look at this, guys. Oh, here's the 10 Commandments. Does everybody know their 10 Commandments? Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven images. Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Honor thy father and mother. Thou shalt not kill. Thou shalt not commit adultery. Thou shalt not steal. Thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor. And thou shalt not covet anything that is thy neighbor's. Okay? Be prepared for your journey into eternity. Wow. John 3:16's there. Well, that's not John 3:16. John, oh, let's see, that's Romans. It's a bunch of Bible verses there, guys. I wonder, this one is beautiful. Here comes the car. It's that same white car, guys. It's the same white car. What is she doing? It's a girl. It's a girl. Unless she's trying to do a drug deal, I don't know what she's doing. I don't know. Some of these are... Nope, this one's locked. What can you see in there? Anything? Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't know what that girl's doing. I think we should go back towards the car. That girl come back through. We should probably get back towards the car. You locked it, right? Yeah. Alright, there's one more mausoleum over there. I touched one of these and it did something. I don't remember which one.
The one up front by my car?
Yeah, but I touched one of these too. And it did something, but when I touched it the second time it didn't. I think it was that one. That's crazy. Doorbells.
The one I touched up front made the thing. Did something up front by my car.
That's crazy. I wonder where that girl went. We should come through here. See what she's doing. She's got to be waiting on some kind of deal. It looks like her car is full of stuff. Maybe she sleeps here.
That's good.
You think?
I don't know. She was talking to a dude.
I hope they're not over there near your car. Alright, guys. What was that? I heard somebody's voice. Did you hear it too? God, I swear I feel like something keeps getting by me. I heard something. That was scary. I heard it too. I swear when I was up in here, this is where I felt like stuff was trying to follow me or right behind me. And I turned around, there was nothing there. Oh my God. Oh Lord.
Oh my God, she's following you.
That's scary. I got spirits following me. Car's still there. No, that girl's over this way somewhere. She's got to be stopped right there parked. I mean, she hasn't got out of her car, so it's a little weird. It's a little weird.
She's been driving around.
Yeah. Okay, guys, I guess we're gonna get out of here. That girl, there was a girl in that car, and it looks like it's got a bunch of stuff in the car. She's been riding around here ever since we got here. So, and now another car coming behind her. I don't know if they're over there. We thought we heard a voice. And we know it was a girl in the first car, but I don't know who. What was that? Did you hear it? Oh, shit. I don't know what it is. That's scary. So we are going to get out of here and head home. We'll make sure when we come back we have people with us. Unless I want to come back. I want to come back by myself and do a 30-minute challenge. I know nobody wants me to do those 30-minute challenges, but this place is pretty cool. I'm going to pee myself. Alright guys, oh, our lights come on, it scared me. Alright guys, I love you. Bye. Well, hello there. We're back. Look who I have with me tonight. Rebecca.
Hi.
There's Rebecca. Look at that nose on her. What you got to say, woman?
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Look at us. We are going to take you guys on an adventure. And what are we going to do? I forgot. It must be the nose. What do you think?
I don't know.
I think it was the nose.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think I think I see a ghost behind you.
Oh, snap.
Holy shit. No, it's not. It's not. I thought it was. I really thought it was. Rebecca found us a new cemetery. Actually, I thought I found this cemetery a long time ago. And there's another cemetery with the same name. I've never been here. Nobody's ever filmed here. So we're the first. Yay! Alright guys, let's get into this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Because this is going to be in the bloopers. Bloop, 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 bloop.